Today it's a very special day because we just got the RCB D7 PRO ULTRA, and this scooter, as they say, it has almost infinite range. On their website it says that this scooter has 110 kilometers of range, which is, I think, insane. So we're gonna unbox it. We got our little tool here to unbox it, so let's get into it. Look at this. Come here, come here. They really did some good packaging here.
It's just plastic.
This is plastic white foam.
Yeah.
Yep.
Squishy.
Very squishy. I could sleep on this. Yeah.
And bouncy.
Holy.
Looks like a tractor.
Like a tractor. Okay. Bro, come here. It has lights on the side.
Oh, the RCB lights up?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, look at this. Look how big this zip tie is.
Wait. Look at this.
What?
They give you a whole proper kit.
Exactly. But look at how big this manual is. Bro, it has 300 pages. Oh, here you have the charger, which is incredibly heavy.
Holy quality.
This is, I think this is the best quality charger I've ever seen. It's like a brick. So this charger has 54.6 volts at 3 amps. Why are you emoting?
Wait, don't. Oh, you.
Oh! You threw the manual at me! I think we should lift it up. Okay, so let's lift this beast up. It's not that heavy, honestly. I was kind of overreacting.
It straight up looks like a tractor. Just look at how
small it is.
It's so small, but it's so beefy. Look at how big this scooter is. Oh my god. It's like 4x3.
This has a 27 amp hour battery.
Is that supposed to be big battery?
Bro, what do you mean? It's the biggest battery we've ever had in an e-scooter.
How much is that range-wise?
110 kilometers.
Блядь, трактор!
Wow!
Pretty impressive.
Wow! He really likes this
Yeah, he's surfing.
plastic white thing.
Watch this.
He's on a boat.
Yeah, he's surfing. Now the headlight. Put the knife into it. Wipe it off. What is this headlight? Come on, you can do it. Alright, that's it. You didn't cut a wire. Huh? Is it in position?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hold it.
Screw it in. Nice. Bro! Look at the throttle.
No way.
Yes way. Motorcycle throttle.
My god. Okay, so now that we got the scooter assembled and everything, how do we start it? Because...
You press this, obviously.
Wait, that doesn't... Wait, turn on the low voltage switch.
Where the hell is the low voltage?
What? Look at this, it has a switch here. Okay, so now that we have pressed the power switch, we should hold this. Okay, it's on.
Wait, press again the power button.
No. Oh!
I did it!
No, it was the M switch.
Alright.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay, so look at this. Okay, that's one. No way! The color changed.
Oh, red for sport!
Yeah, red for sport. Blue
Kinda
for
matches the orange.
something. What? Look at the signals.
It sounds like a forklift.
Yeah, bro, this is tractor.
Yeah, you're right, the tractor.
It sounds like a tractor.
Yeah,
because
it's the
is a
most tractor scooter that I have ever seen.
Yeah, okay, let me turn on the lights first.
You have to press it. You have to long press it. And now...
No, it has
And the
lights
fan on the
even
side.
here. The light is decent actually.
I don't know, but it's kind of okay, yeah.
Bro, this has an app.
Do you have it on your phone?
No, I think I should download it.
RCB.
Yeah. Log in. I have to make an account. Discovering devices. Add.
That's a pretty impressive app, not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
it's actually very impressive.
Try to lock it. Wow, that's cool.
Oh my god.
Try and lock it. Holy
Oh my god. You can turn
Okay,
on the light.
you can control everything from the app.
It indicates that the binding is completed.
Go with the NFC card next to it. And look, beep, 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 like a bomb. Now come close with the NFC card. Yep,
Oh my god.
that's it.
Oh my god. And you don't have to turn it on. You just use the NFC. As you can see, it's not fully charged. So we're gonna leave it overnight. And
Yeah, because as you can see, it's already night.
yeah, it's getting dark and we cannot film anymore. We're gonna see you tomorrow.
Yep.
So it's the next day, well actually the next few days, because it's been very rainy all this week. So we finally got the RCB scooter out.
Yep.
And now I guess we're gonna meet up with ES and go and test it, right? We also have Two Wheels Galaxy here and Turbo Scoot here. Honestly, this Chinese thing, like, it's actually surprisingly good looking. And look how thick this battery is. That is because this scooter has a 27 amp hour battery with 110 kilometers range. 110 kilometers range. Bro, you can go like outside the country with this.
Yeah.
120 kilometers away from the border. So while we're here, I should tell you about these scooter specs. Besides the huge battery, it has a 500 watt motor, but it picks up to 1600 watt. It has very nice lights, a very beautiful display, which looks like an awesome display. We have an awesome right here, and it looks pretty similar to the awesome display. Also, we have this amazing control panel which changes colors when you change modes.
Wow! You can actually go outside the country with this.
We can actually go outside the country with this. Oh my god. At 100k subscribers, we're gonna flee the country on this scooter.
We're gonna be deported from the country on this scooter.
Nah, bro, okay. It also has dual 140mm brake, front and rear suspensions, and puncture resistant off-road tires, which are, of course, the bare minimum.
I think this is made out of pure steel.
Bro, this is made out of the most pristine Chinese materials, bro.
Yeah.
Like, this is, look, this is metal, bro. This is quality. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Are we ready to go?
Yeah, come on.
What did you say you have to do?
Replace my teeth.
You have to replace your teeth?
My bracket for my teeth.
Oh my god, so you got dental brackets?
Apparature, yes.
Oh my god, and one bracket fell?
Yes.
And now you have to go to replace your teeth?
Yeah, because I ate a corn dog.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's go.
So this is the first ride on the RCB scooter. Right now I'm actually very impressed with this scooter. It has decent speed, very good brakes. They feel almost like hydraulic brakes, which is awesome, and it handles very well. But I have to learn how to use this throttle, you know, because since I have to hold this throttle very hard, I kind of lose control and death wobble, you know. So right now we're going to ES's dental appointment to put his bracket back, because yeah, apparently he ate some food, as he always does. He eats a lot of food, and well, one bracket fell, and now he has to go put it back. So yeah, we wait for the people to cross every single time. That's not true, you know.
It's very true. I wait every single time. I'm a good citizen.
You're a good citizen? Okay, bro, if you say so. Look at my horn.
The blind spot. Bluetooth horn. It's a Decathlon by
You think people are gonna hear me?
Bluetooth horn. Absolutely fine. No one is gonna do that.
And I don't have a zero start.
You don't have zero start?
No. I have to go like 2 kilometers an hour in order to start. And now we have to hope someone lets us pass.
Yeah, they're not gonna let you pass. No, but...
Oh my god, thank you. No way, bro.
Sorry to pull that, bro.
I cannot believe this.
Wow.
That guy doesn't realize he's gonna be on YouTube, bro, for thousands of people to watch.
We love everybody and we should not swear at them.
Okay, bro, you cannot say that, okay? Come on, bro, I have to do something first.
What? Are you sure you're gonna have time?
Yeah. A little adjustment. Come on, look how tall it is now.
Taller than you.
Bro, it's almost taller than me. Oh my god, I have to go. No. Oh, okay. Nice way of parking, bro. Very nice way. Oh, and now he doesn't even see me. Oh. I cannot even honk. Bro, I don't know why this scooter feels like so much chaos.
What do you mean?
I don't know, it feels chaotic, this scooter.
hot.
I guess it's because of the throttle and it makes me aggressive.
Motorcycle throttle.
Yeah, look at this.
It doesn't have.
Bro, people joined us. No way, bro. Pull over, pull over. Oh my god. Like 2 G4s. Oh, that hurt.
Bye bye.
Bye bye brake. 2 G4s joined us apparently. This is such a weird thing. You got 6.7 kilometers. Oh my god. Literally, it's so rugged.
Pure Chinese technology.
Pure Chinese technology. Look
Yeah.
at this. Well, guess who's here? Hello, bro.
Guess who got new teeth?
Yeah, you
Guess
got new
who got-
teeth.
We should go to Decathlon
Yeah.
to get anti-fog spray for our helmets
Okay. Yeah, that's true.
because journalists tell me it's in Decathlon.
So you want to go to Decathlon,
Yeah.
which is on the other side of the city. Oh no! My scooter turned off! My scooter turned off! My scooter turned off! What the fuck? Okay, that was not planned. But for some reason my scooter died. What the fuck was that? Let's hope my scooter doesn't die again. I have no idea what was that. But yeah, I honestly don't know what the hell just happened. Why that happened. So now we're gonna wait for yes again.
Get me one, and I will give you the money.
You are having debt. You have already debt to me.
No.
Oh, you have debt? The debt is gonna be a lot more.
Do you think they're gonna kick us out for filming?
No. Not if you do low key.
But
Not if you
where
do
is the where are the anti-fog, you know, things? Someone buy me one.
Two.
Okay.
1, 2,
three.
3.
Okay.
You need one?
I need one.
4.
So we have to take the marker and like paint it.
Yeah, that's what Jay said.
Holy shit!
Actually?
Yeah!
Wait, no way.
Thank you! Big thank you, John Wheels!
Big thank you, John Wheels.
Big thank you,
John
John
Wheels.
Wheels! Take the camera, take the camera, take the camera.
I don't think this camera saw anything.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
You already regretted it.
So that's it for this video. I'm really sorry that it was such a short video, but everyone is tired. Yeah. Should you buy the RCB D7 PRO? Well, yes, mostly because of this amazing 27 amp hour battery. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.